Hello, it's your friendly Tunxis reference librarian coming to you again. Today, I'm going to show you how to access Tunxis Library's streaming media service called Films on Demand, something like an academic YouTube. So if you start at the tunxis.edu homepage, you can always click right here to get to the library website, Library and Instructional Technologies. And right on the library homepage, if you just scroll down a little under Quick Links, the fifth one down is called Films on Demand. You can go ahead and click on that link and make sure you're already signed into my ComNet so you have access to everything remotely. So what you can do is use the Films on Demand search box, top center here. You could type in, again, a main keyword or a topic that you're looking for an assignment, or it could be to support your classwork as far as just watching a visual type of item instead of reading a textbook. You know, on algebra, on grammar, on psychology. I'm going to type in my favorite new topic, resilience. And then I'll just click the little magnifying glass at the end. And it will tell us here we have 713 results. Many of these are segments, you'll see. They say segment, so it's a short piece of a series in a title. Like here's Career Resilience. They're sorted by relevance, meaning the ones that match your terms best come up first. You have options everywhere. You can change it to newest to oldest or most viewed. I'm going to leave it. So if we want to look at one of these, here's Defining Resilience. It's a segment. We can click there on the title. And I'll show you a few of the features. We can click on closed captions and choose English, and we'll see the words. This is how you start playing the clip.
We know so much about resilience.
I'm just going to stop that. And a couple benefits that this product has, is there is a transcript. These are the segments. You'll see this is a full program, and we clicked on the segment called Defining Resilience, but here you can see all the rest of the themes, the sections of this one video. So if you wanted to get the teen perspective on resilience, you could just click right there and go into another clip. Also, here's the transcript. So if you'd like to copy and paste a quote into your assignment, it makes it easy. So you can just go ahead and highlight something, and then I'll show you there's also a citation tool. Then you could copy and paste this into your whatever Word document, Google Docs. And down here is a link to citing the video. So you can just copy and paste that. You'll see it's on MLA, but you can always change it to different styles as necessary. All right. And if you wanted to email it, you could do that. So if you get a little tired of reading text, you could try Films on Demand for some visual information, quality visual information, things you could use in assignments or for your own education. Okay, we'll see you again in another topic. Contact us by text, email, or chat on the library website. Thank you.